In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 2-minute time frame on MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5. And as you can see, we have here the M1, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and so on and so forth. Okay? So to add the 2 minute, all you have to do is you have to click on one of these time frames. For example, the 3 minutes, right click, then click on customize. Now here at the left sidebar, you will see available buttons and you will see here M2 2 minutes. So click on it one time and click on insert. As you can see, this is M2, the 2 minute. Now let's say you want to make it here, for example, between the 1 minute and 3 minutes. All you have to do is click on up until you see it here in the place you want. After that, click on close. And now click on it. And this is our 2-minute time frame. As you can see, this is the 1 minute, the 3 minutes, and the 2 minute. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.